welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are discussing and going through the remaining question of the set for the RPA Scrum Master, that is Robotic Process Automation Scrum Master role. Okay, if you are preparing for this role, just go through all these question and answers which we are discussing from last two videos. So these are three videos related to this job role only, and in next time in next month or something we are going to dive into RPA role. Okay, what exactly RPA, project development management role. Okay, so you can go ahead and subscribe my channel so that you can get the intimation whenever I release those videos which are going to tell you, coach you how to do and what exactly is RPA. Okay, so just be with me, and this is the last video related to this job role. Okay, so just let's see, go ahead. So the upcoming question is, what is the biggest risk in RPA project? So already we have discussed 11 question in these previous two videos. Just go through these videos. If you are having any question, doubt, just put it in the comment box. If you are having any insights also, just put it so that we can also learn from your end. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what the answers which I have prepared for the remaining question and answer. So incomplete or ambiguous process understandings, it's a biggest risk. Okay, in RPA projects, I mitigate via process discovery session, SIPOC, that POC kind of thing. Okay, diagrams and SME workshops as well, right? Yeah, so these are the biggest risks, and you are also giving them the solution how you are tackling from that, right? Yeah, so how do you engage the SMEs in RPA Scrum? By involving them in a backlog refinement meeting, sprint reviews, UAT cycles, and the clarifying the process rules as well. Schedule the SME availability is a part of the sprint planning. Correct? Okay. So the next question, that is, how do you ensure the team does not over automate? Okay. I work with the PO and the BA to measure the ROI, product owner and the business analyst. Okay, to measure the ROI, return on investment, that is ROI. If effort is greater than business value or rule complexity is too high, we recommend partial automation or the workflow optimization. Okay, you can directly set these answers. Okay, how you over automate, team doesn't over automate or something. Okay, yeah. So how do you manage bot failures post production? Through the incident tracking, root cause analysis, okay, then prioritization for upcoming sprints, okay, and a strong DevOps support pipeline as well. Okay, getting my points? You how you are managing both failure. Okay, yeah. So the next, how is ROI calculated for in the RPA? Are saved per process. Hours saved per process equal to number of runs per month equal to cost per hour. Okay, I track the ROI in the sprint review to show business impact. Correct, this is the Scrum Master rule. You can give them as an add-on in the weekly report or any meetings or something. Okay, yeah. Then how do you manage the dependencies between the RPA and non-RPA teams? Daily syncs, yes. The dependency mapping in Jira, yes. Risk logs and the early environment readiness. The cross team working agreements ensures the smooth communication as well. The communication part is always important in the Scrum Master role. So RPA and non RPA team, okay, you should tackle with them. Correct? Yeah. Then the next question is, what is included in the definition of done for RPA? Of course, this question always you are going to face. Okay, the code completed and the peer reviewed, exception handling implemented, then the test cases executed, UAT sign off, deployment package ready, runbook updated, demo completed. Okay, definition of done. Okay, for RPA. Fine. Yeah. Then the next question, how do you prioritize RPA backlog items? How you are doing this? Based on the business values, complexity, efforts, ROI, compliance impact, and the SME availability. So we are going to prioritize the RPA backlog items on this basis. Okay? Yeah. So the last question is, describe the difficult situation you handle as a RPA Scrum Master. Example answer I have given for you, that is, during an automation project, SMEs are unavailable, were unavailable, then causing the unclear rules as well. So I organized quick 15 minutes rule clarification burst, created detailed workflow maps as well, and the adjusted sprint scope proactively. This prevented the rework and the improved delivery confidence. Okay, getting my point? So this question maybe you can get in the start of the interview as well. What is a difficult situation? How you handled your RPS Scrum team? Usually, what was your daily the routine or something, right? It's always the same as Scrum Master interview question and answer. Just you are adding them into the robotic process automation. Okay, which are tools are different, some tools, okay, the situation, the reporting metrics are different, okay, that much only, but the Scrum Master role and responsibility are always the same. Okay, just go through this question and answers and prepare for yourself for this role as well, and just go ahead with it. Okay, if you are having any doubt questions, just put it in the comment box. I would like to help you out as soon as possible. Thank you and be with me.